Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for February 21st of 2025 is titled Hubble's Andromeda Galaxy Mosaic. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an image, or actually a whole bunch of images of the Andromeda Galaxy put together and taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. And these were made between 2010 and 2022. Now, this is just a portion of the whole mosaic here because of the size of the Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy actually would cover an incredible distance in the sky, and it would cover a distance equal to about 6 full moons, or about 3 degrees of the sky. So that's a very large area. Here we're just looking at about a third of that, a portion of that, with the central portion of the galaxy to the right hand side, and then some of the inner spiral arms toward the left. Now we see within those spiral arms, we see a lot of dust. Spiral galaxies like the Andromeda Galaxy and our own Milky Way are quite dusty. They contain a lot of particles there, and those particles serve to block out the light. So they keep us from seeing things behind. And in fact, there are enough particles there that there are certain regions that we cannot see at all because of that dust. Now that is true of the Andromeda Galaxy, and that is also true of our own Milky Way. But trying to learn, why are we learning about the Andromeda Galaxy? And that's because it is a spiral galaxy, and in fact the nearest large spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way. And that means that we can study it to learn a little bit more about our galaxy. Remember the dust I talked about earlier. Within our galaxy, it completely prevents us from seeing large portions of our galaxy in visible light. There is simply no way to see them. Well, the Andromeda Galaxy, being somewhat similar to ours, offers us a chance to study this galaxy and hopefully learn a little bit more about our galaxy, which would be hopefully similar. So they are about the same in size, the Andromeda Galaxy being a little bit larger than our Milky Way. But a lot of the properties are relatively the same. We would see the same kind of disk, the same kind of spiral arms, and the dust within the spiral arms. But when we look at it from outside looking down, we can still get a more complete picture of the galaxy than we can get with our own Milky Way. Now you see that it is not completed here. There are regions that are blank toward the top and the bottom. And again, the whole idea of the mosaic was to look at the Andromeda Galaxy and to be able to study that. So there was no reason to go that far above it, where you're getting outside of the galaxy. So here we're seeing again just a portion of that, the areas that have been mapped in this specific region, looking at our nearest large spiral galaxy, which is known as Andromeda. So that was our picture of the day for February 21st of 2025. It was titled Hubble's Andromeda Galaxy Mosaic. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.